Hi! In front of me is REALME C53 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location Shortcut. When you find it, click on it. If you can't find it over here, tap on this pen at the bottom right corner of your tab menu. Look for it below. And when you find it, drag it to the tab. Then place it wherever you wish to. And click on the top left corner. Now finally, you can click on it. In this pop-up, to disable location, select Close. To turn it on, click on Turn on location. I will go with Close, so when I go back, I can see that location of my device is now disabled. You can always enable it by clicking on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Use Location to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!